Join us for our 103 class on Wednesday, June 30th and July 7th in the hospitality room. It's from 6:30 to 7:45. And this two-part class will help you figure out your spiritual gifts and how to use them at church.
July 4th is 1 week away, and Women's Ministry is selling fireworks again. This is the 10th year in a row that Women's has done this, with the proceeds going to various missions here at Northside and also Women's Ministry activities. So we would love it if you would purchase your fireworks here at Northside July 1st through July 4th.
Northside is hosting a 2-day baseball camp and cookout for our adopted school, Lincoln Elementary, on July 2nd through 4th. You can come and hang out with the students, teach them how to play baseball, and fellowship with their families over some food. If you're interested in finding out more about this event, pick up a flyer from our rack in the lobby.